Hello, all right. So as you can able to see in the last lecture, we have studied about the arithmetic operators and all of those kind of things. But here is the one more thing that we are going to study here. This that we are going to study in this thing in today's topic about the assignment operator. Yes. So today we are going to learn about the assignment operator. So what is the assignment operator? Assignment operator are used to assign a value. Okay, but here if you wanted to perform a sum on any of this kind of thing, we don't here need to write all this like print a plus b, print b plus c, all of this long statement. We can able to write those things in a very short way also. Like we don't want to write those print statement again. So here you can able to see. I will tell you with the example like assignment operator. Here we have equal to, we have less than equal to, plus a, minus a, and all of those kind of things. Now let me explain how. Imagine we take a value here a is equal to 10. Okay, imagine we get here some value. Example, we get here a is equal to 10, and we wanted to add a pi into that sum. So here is the two method that we have. The first method that we can able to use here, that print a plus pi. We have this method. Okay, but for this then what you need to do? You need to use this statement here. So it like you can able to still print like this with this. Okay, so you can able to get here like here we get all the sums. Wait, yes, so here you can able to see if we use print a plus pi. Okay, so what we are going to get here, we're going to get here a plus pi. What we got here 15. Like don't try to focus on this, just try to focus on this. If we use here a plus pi, we are going to get here 15, because what happened that a is a 10, then we got add here 5. But instead of writing print statement with everything, what we are going to use here, that we use write a, we wanted to add what on a 5, so we use this plus operator. Okay, and then we use equal to sign. If we wanted to get minus here, we use this minus operator, then we use equal to sign. Imagine if we wanted to get division, we use this division operator, we get here equal to 5. Okay, so what are the like we are going to get different options and outputs we are going to get here. Imagine like if we added 5 here, we got here 15. If we added minus here, we got 10 minus 5, 5. If we got division here, we got here 2. And here like I can make that some little big. Yeah. So here if you can see that if we divide here, so what the remainder we got here 0. If we multiply, we got here 50. If we get power here, so we got this. Okay. And what at the end we did here, that we just simply print this print statement. So what you do, like if you can able to see that this code might you think that looks long, but not. If I remove these comments, okay, all of these kind of things, so you are not going to see that, yeah, like we have this much long code. Okay, like if I want, I can able to just let a is equal to 10, a plus equal to 5, a minus equal to 5, a divided by equal to 5, a module 5, a power of 5, all of this kind of thing. And at the last, we are going to print this statement a. Okay, today for this only.